Good morning, mates. Nickaway, just south of Billy Sandifer Drive. Got a hell of a wind blowing from the north. It's blowing about a good 20-25 miles an hour. White water as far as I can see. It's saying the wind is northeast 26. It looks like it's going to be like this most of the day. Tomorrow it's going to still be in the north until about midday. Then all of a sudden it swings to the west. So anyhow, currently we've got wave height of a good 7 foot. There's white water as far as I can see. Clarity's dropped down to about a 4. Current is running from north to south. That means the bait's all moved out. Not seeing any weed on the beach, and driving is a 6 to a 7. Got an air temperature currently of 64. Sea temperatures starting to drop. We need to keep an eye on that because our pompano move out. Once it starts getting below 70s into the 60s, they can disappear for a while. Anyhow, low tide is at 12:03 today. High tide is at 9:42 this evening. Anyhow, I'm going to try and put the drone up for you so you can have a look at the Bob Hall Pier progress. We got the crane jacked up. Let's see if it can fly in this. Best day for fishing looks like it's going to be Sunday. On Saturday in the late afternoon, winds are going to swing, so it's offshore. That should have a calming effect. Sunday, you got light winds all day, blowing about 4 to 5 miles an hour early in the morning, building up to 10 at the most. So it looks like Sunday's your best day. Stay safe, mates.